Hello, doctor. I need a medical consultation for my symptoms.
Please sit down. Tell me exactly what you are feeling.
I have a severe headache and constant chest pain today.
How long have you experienced these health issues recently?
They started yesterday morning and became much worse last night.
Let me check your blood pressure and heart rate first.
Is it possible that this is a serious medical emergency?
Your blood pressure is quite high, so we must investigate.
I brought my health insurance card to cover the treatment.
Good, our hospital accepts most major private health insurance plans.
Will I need any expensive medical tests or a scan?
I recommend a blood test to check your cholesterol levels.
How much will the laboratory tests cost without insurance coverage?
The total cost is about $200 without insurance.
Luckily, my premium insurance policy covers all diagnostic test fees.
That's excellent. Please sign this insurance claim form now.
Should I stop working and rest at home this week?
Yes, you need complete rest and a healthy daily diet.
Are you going to prescribe any specific prescription medication today?
I will prescribe some medicine to lower your blood pressure.
Do these pills have any dangerous side effects I should know?
You might feel a little dizzy during the first few days.
Can I drive my car after taking this strong medicine?
No, you should avoid driving to ensure your personal safety.
When should I come back for a follow-up medical appointment?
Please return to my office next week with your results.
Thank you for providing such professional healthcare service today, doctor.
You're very welcome. Please take your medicine on time.
I will collect the pills from the pharmacy counter downstairs.
Take care of your health and have a safe day.
Watch the next lesson on the end screen now.